All right, still on the 18th. That shit's still there. What's new? So I showed you that shit already. What I'm working on now is the upper control arms. They're gonna be 22 and 7x8s and or 7x8s. All right. As for the uppers and then lowers, same thing. 22. You're gonna have to get a. You can see it. Stick it in there. Extension. Knock that shit out. Same thing on that side. And so like I showed you earlier. I don't know if I showed it to you. Shocks are off. So once I knock it out of the top here and the lower there, this is already loose. Everything should just fall out. And then I'm done with the back. May not do that yet. I may not do that. I should sell that rear end just in case somebody wants to shorten it or do whatever they gotta do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then this, I think it might be a 20. I'll check the socket soon. But I'll worry about the control arms shortly. So we got going on so far. Yeah, man, power tools are the best thing ever. When I did most of the work, I was using this. But the Milwaukee's, well, that's a lifesaver.